Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Joy and today I'm going to be taking you all through my wash day routine. So it's time to wash my hair. I took my passion twist out and so my hair is in definite need of wash and a deep condition. So what I've done so far, I've just sprayed it with some water to detangle it. So this is what my hair looks like, slightly damp. So we're gonna go in and start washing this bad boy. I got my wash day t-shirt on, and hopefully throughout the video you pick up some tips and tricks to kind of shorten your wash day, because I know since being natural, I've been natural for about 9 years now, and my wash days used to be really long and drawn out because I follow all these tutorials that I saw on YouTube, and it just made wash day really long. So I figured out something that works for me that cuts the time in half. So hopefully you can pick up on some of these tips too and help to shorten your wash day. But yeah, if you're interested in seeing my wash day process, then I'd like you to stay tuned and keep on watching. Alright guys, so the shampoo I'm using is Shea Moisture's Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Shampoo. And yes, before anyone asks, I do still wash my hair in the sink. I do not do it in the shower because, yeah. So yeah, I still wash my hair in the sink. My mom always used to wash my hair in the sink, so that's what I do. So I'm gonna go ahead and start by just saturating my hair with the water. Um, it takes about two washes for my hair to get fully lathered with the shampoo, and it takes a little while for my hair to get all the way wet. So here I'm just wetting my hair and getting ready to put the shampoo on and wash it. As you can see, I don't section my hair off. I know a lot of naturals section their hair and then wash it, but my hair is at a length to where every time I twist it and I try to wash it, my twists always unravel, and it always end up like this at the end anyway. So I just wash my hair loose. What I do though is I always put a part down the middle of my hair, because since my hair is thicker in the middle, it's hard for me to get to my scalp. So I always do a part down the middle of my head, and then I start washing in the middle first, and then I kind of work the shampoo outwards and down over the rest of my scalp, because I just want to make sure that the middle of my head is cleansed really well, since it has the most hair and it's the thickest part of my head. So I just go in like that, and then usually I'll just work the shampoo all through, starting from the middle. after I'm done washing my hair, I just give it a light squeeze to get some of the excess water off. And I do not towel dry my hair. I just leave it fully wet because the towel can cause damage and breakage and dry out the hair. So I just leave it the way it is. And then I jump and go right into conditioning my hair. The conditioner that I'm going to be using today is the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Conditioner. And for this part, I do section out my hair because my hair is so thick and I need conditioner to moisturize my hair. I do section it off. And I do use a lot of conditioner. I use globs of it because as you'll see throughout the video, my hair just sucks it right up. And also I'm coming out of a protective style, so my hair is dry and it's in need of moisture. So I use lots of conditioner, and it's just easier to comb through when I section off my hair like this. So you'll see me from time to time looking down like that in utter disgust because of the amount of shedding that I'm having, and which is normal when you come out of a long-term protective style. You do have a lot of shed hairs. But as you guys know, if you saw my rice water video, I do experience a lot of shedding. So that's when you see me looking down like that in utter disgust, then that's what I'm cleaning off my brush and taking the hair out. But I have a trick for that. Later on in the video, I'm gonna spray some rice water on my hair, which is an optional step. But yeah, I include that in my wash day. So I'm gonna be using my detangling brush. This is the brush with the best Felicia Leatherwood brush, and this brush has been out for a while. I'm just coming to the party. I've seen this brush ever since I've been natural. So at least 9 years ago, I had been seeing other YouTubers use this brush, and I finally got one thanks to my good friend who gifted it for me. So thank you, girl. And I love it. This is the best detangling brush that I've ever used. And with my hair being so thick and so coarse, see my curls were popping out. Yeah, it's a really great brush. So I'll link it in the description box where you can go buy yours if you want to try it out. But it's a cool brush. I like it. Cool for naturals. So I'm just brushing the conditioner through my hair, and then I twist it just to section it off and put it out of the way. And I'm going to do 3 sections on each side of my head, so 6 sections in total. And here I'm on the last section. I'm just putting on the conditioner, brushing it through my hair, and then I'm going to twist it up and get ready to let it set. So I'm just grabbing a bit more conditioner to kind of top everything off, because as you can see, my hair looks like I barely put any conditioner on. So I'm just going through again and just putting one last coat before I cover my hair. So I'm gonna be deep conditioning my hair, and you'll want to use a conditioning cap. I didn't have any more conditioning caps, so I used a grocery bag, which that's optional as well. I just didn't have any more conditioning caps, so grocery bags work great too for deep conditioning. So I'm just gonna let this sit for 30 minutes. If you have a hooded dryer, you can sit under your dryer. So after I'm done deep conditioning, I forgot to hit the record button when I was washing out my conditioner. Whoopsie. So here you'll see me spraying on my rice water. Like I said, this step is optional. You don't have to do this, but if you would like to see how I incorporate it into my wash day and how I make the rice water and all that good stuff, I will link my rice water video up at the top in the card, so if you want to check that out. So I'm just spraying this. Again, this step is optional. You do not have to do this step. So after you wash out your conditioner, you can go straight into styling and moisturizing your hair. But this is just an extra step because like I said, I was shedding a lot after coming out of my protective style. So this helps to stop the shedding for me. I know a lot of people say don't put rice water in your hair, don't do it, but I mean, it works for me. So just do you. Do what works for you. If rice water helps you, keep doing it. If it doesn't help you, then don't do it. So yeah, that's my take on that. So now my hair is completely rinsed out, no product in it, just water. So I'm going to go in and start moisturizing my hair. I'm using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Strength and Restore Smoothie. It's just a moisturizer, and I'm going in on the same 6 sections that I did previously, and I'm just going to go section by section and moisturize my hair, and that's pretty much going to end my wash day. You can use whatever moisturizer you like best. Since I do have low porosity hair and my hair is always really dry, my hair loves heavy, creamy products. So the heavier the product is, the better. The creamier it is, the better. But again, like I say, use what's best for you. If your hair likes lightweight and fluffy moisturizing products, then use that. If you like hair grease to moisturize, use that. There's really no right or wrong way when it comes to your hair. Just make sure you're using the stuff that works best for you. So I'm just gonna go in each section and just moisturize it. I'm going to detangle it one more time, and just to distribute the product. And then this time around, since I used my rice water, I had like 98% less shedding. So like I said, rice water works for me. So like I said, do what you will, but yeah. So I'm just gonna detangle my hair and put some of that excess product back, because no, we don't be wasting product around here. It's too expensive. So I'm just gonna detangle each section, and then after I'm done detangling it, I just twist it up. And what I did was I just twisted it up in the 6 twists, let it dry overnight, and then the next day I just styled my hair in a low bun. So that's gonna be my protective style until next week when I'm ready to wash again. So yeah, pretty simple. This is pretty much my wash day routine. This took me about an hour and a half to complete. Like I said, I had to figure out a way to make my wash day shorter and simpler, because I have 3 kids, and they don't care about mommy washing her hair all day and trying to get the perfect balance in moisture. So I had to come up with something that worked for me, that was practical as far as wash day goes. So I don't spend hours in the shower or hovering over the sink washing my hair, or hours deep conditioning or anything like that, because it's not necessary for me. So yeah, if you like this video or found it helpful, give me a like, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments how your wash day routine goes and some of the tips and tricks that you use, or if you found this video helpful. I'll also link my rice water video in case you're interested in seeing how I make rice water and use it to stop the shedding on my hair. But yeah, so thank you guys again for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Take care.